Hey there! Today we're diving into a fascinating problem that revolves around nested streams and their impact on performance. We recently ran a benchmark to compare the efficiency of different stream configurations, focusing on parallel outer streams and varying inner stream setups. The results were quite surprising, highlighting a significant performance gap between utilizing a new ForkJoinPool for inner streams versus relying on the CommonPool. Now, let's delve into the solution that uncovers the magic behind this intriguing scenario. In the provided solution, the key to enhancing performance lies in creating a dedicated ForkJoinPool for inner streams, avoiding contention with the CommonPool threads. By using a shared custom thread pool for inner tasks, you can effectively eliminate the overhead of creating multiple pools while maintaining separate threads for inner parallelism. This approach optimizes CPU utilization and resource management, resulting in improved overall performance. It's a clever workaround to boost efficiency without compromising on system resources. Building on this optimized strategy, another approach involves flattening the parallelism to a single level. By merging the outer and inner loops into a unified parallel stream, you can maximize CPU utilization and streamline the execution process. This method minimizes overhead and fully leverages the parallel stream capabilities, often leading to the fastest execution time. It's a simple yet powerful technique to expedite performance and enhance the overall efficiency of your stream operations. In summary, optimizing nested streams by leveraging dedicated ForkJoinPools and flattening parallelism can significantly impact performance outcomes. Understanding the intricacies of thread management and resource allocation is key to unlocking the full potential of your stream operations. So, next time you're tackling nested parallel streams, consider these insights to supercharge your benchmarks and streamline your code. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to hit subscribe, like, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Stay curious, stay coding,